Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson operations on rational numbers. Today we will discuss about the division of rational numbers. Already you have learnt about addition, subtraction, multiplication and also the reciprocals of the rational numbers. Now division of the rational number. Dividing one rational number by another except by 0 is same as the multiplication of the first rational number by the reciprocal of the second rational number. So for division, what we have to do? You have to multiply the reciprocal of the second rational number, isn't it, to the first. So first rational number जैसा है वैसे ही रखो और सेकेंड रैशनल नंबर का रेसिप्रोकल को मल्टीप्लाई करने का है. सो ऑलरेडी इट इज गिवन. सी x डिवाइड बाय y इज इक्वल टू x इंटू y टू द पावर -1. सो फॉर्मूला क्या है? x डिवाइड बाय y, x एज इट इज, डिविजन साइन चेंज इट टू मल्टीप्लिकेशन, y का reciprocal, y to the power -1 is reciprocal. Now coming to the example, divide 7 by 3 by 5 by 3. तो क्या करने का है? 7 by 3 write as it is, division sign write it, multiplication sign. So 5 by 3 the reciprocal. You have to interchange the numerator and the denominator. Hi Anna. So 3 ones are 3 ones are. Again there is no cancellation. 7 ones are 7, 1 5s are 5. सबको समझ में आया ना? So first rational number as it is लिखो, डिविजन साइन को मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन लिखो और सेकेंड रैशनल नंबर का रेसिप्रोकल. रेसिप्रोकल क्या है? द रिवर्स or interchanging the numerator and the denominator. Then ordinary multiplication. For multiplication we have to cancel the numerator and the denominator if it is common, isn't it? So coming to the 18th example, divide 2 by 9 by -4. So it is 2 by 9, division sign, multiplication, -4. What is the reciprocal? It is 1 by -4 or -1 by 4. So 2 ones are, okay, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So it will be 1 upon 9 into minus 9 into 2, it is 18. So the answer is -1 upon 18. डिनोमिनेटर में नेगेटिव है तो इट गोज टू द न्यूमरेटर. नाउ कमिंग टू द 19th एग्जाम्पल, इट इज द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू रैशनल नंबर्स is -25 by 16. If one of the numbers is -5 by 4, find the other. So let the other rational number be x. So the product means multiplication sign of two rational numbers is -25 by 16. If one of the number, so first number, if it is -5 by 4, which is the other? So that is other is x. So product of two rational numbers is -25 by 16. If one of the rational number is -5 by 4, what is the other? So to find out the second number in a multiplication, what is the rule? If you take 2 3s are 6. To get this 3, what you are going to do? 3 is equal to 6 divided by 2. Yes or no? So to get the second number, we have to divide third number divided by first number. Here also use the same. So x is equal to, third number is minus 25 by 16 divided by the first number minus 5 by 4. Hope you understood. समझ में आया होगा. 2 3 6. So 3 मिलने के लिए क्या करते हैं? 6 divided by 2. That means third number divided by the first number. इधर भी वही रूल यूज करो. सेकेंड नंबर मिलने के लिए थर्ड नंबर divided by the first number. Now ordinary division. So minus 25 by 16. This, change it to multiplication sign. Write the reciprocal 4 upon minus 5. अभी cancellation 5 ones are 5 5s are 25, 4 ones are 4 4s are 16. So it will be minus minus plus. Our numerator 5 ones are 5, denominator 4 ones are 4. Hope you understood. In multiplication, same signs, the product will be positive. So the answer, the other number is, other rational number is 5 by. In a subtraction also we had this type of a word problem, isn't it? So here also, hope you have understood this examples. Now coming to the properties of the division of rational numbers. In all the others, addition, subtraction, multiplication, we have discussed about the properties. Now properties of division of rational numbers. The first property is the property 1, division of a rational number by another rational number except 0 is always a rational number. So you can't divide any rational number by 0. Okay. But the rational number divided by another rational number is always a rational number. Example 5 by 3 divided by minus 4 by 3. 5 by 3 as it is. Division sign change to multiplication sign. Minus 4 by 3 becomes 3 by minus 4. Now cancellation, 3 ones are 3 ones are. Here it is plus, here it is minus, so it will be minus. 5 ones are 5, 1 fours are 4. Now in the second sum, 0 divided by something is always 0. See, any number divided by 0, it's not defined. But 0 divided by something, then it is a 0. Now the property 2. It is when a rational number non-zero is divided by the same rational number, the quotient is 1. So any rational number divided by the same rational number, then the answer is 1. So minus 3 by 4 divided by minus 3 by 4. How it will be? First is minus 3 by 4 into this one, the reciprocal. So it becomes 4 by minus 3. So 3 ones are 3 ones are, 4 ones are 4 ones are, minus minus becomes plus. That's why it is 1. Now the third property is when a rational number is divided by the same, by 1, the quotient is the same rational number. Yes or no? So minus 3 by 4 divided by 1 is equal to minus 3 by 4. So these two properties already for ordinary division, also for division of natural numbers and all, it is the same rule. Already you know. Now coming to the property 4. It is if x and y are non-zero rational numbers, then x divided by y is not equal to y divided by x. Which property is it? Two rational numbers, the arrangement is different, then it is commutative property. So please all students understand the properties. So two rational numbers, the arrangement is different, then it is commutative property. But here the commutative property does not hold true for division. Even for subtraction also it does not. For addition and multiplication it is true. Now example, 3 by 2 divided by minus 4 by 5 is not equal to minus 4 by 5 divided by 3 by 2. Same numbers but the arrangement is different. So LHS, this one, 3 by 2 divided by minus 4 by 5. First 3 by 2 as it is, division sign, multiplication sign, minus 4 by 5, write 5 by minus 4. Now cancellation is not there. Numerator, denominator, if we see, cancellation is not there. So 3 5s are 15, 2 4s are 8, but it is minus because different signs. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Now the final answer is minus 15 by 8 because the negative sign you have to take it to the numerator for the final answer. Now coming to the RHS, this one, minus 4 by 5 into 3 by 2. So first number minus 4 by 5 as it is. Division changes to multiplication. 3 by 2, write it as 2 by 3. Now again cancellation is not there. Minus plus minus, 4 2s are 8, 5 3s are 15. It is interchange. So LHS is not equal to RHS, that is the x divided by y is not equal to y divided by x. Hence verify. So that was the property number 4. Now coming to the property number 5. 3 rational numbers. So what is it? X, y and z are non-zero rational numbers, and then x divided by y divided by z is not equal to x divided by y divided by z. Means first and second, and the second and third. What is this property? 3 rational numbers arranged in a different order. Then it is associative property. So associative property does not hold true for division. So write LHS, RHS. So the number 2 by 3 divided by minus 4 by 9 divided by 5 by 6. First solve this. 2 by 3, this multiplication, it will be 9 by minus 4. 3 1s are 3 3s are 9. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Plus minus, sorry, plus plus plus. But here, sorry, this one as it is you are writing divide by 5 by 6. So now the answer you write it here. 1 3s are 1 3s are 3 because it is positive, negative. Now 1 2s are 2. Division sign, put it like that, 5 by 6. Now solve this. Minus 3 by 2, division sign changes to multiplication sign, 5 by 6 becomes 6 by 5. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Now minus plus minus, 3 3s are 9, 1 5s are 5. Now for the second one, the RHS, 2 by 3, we have to write first, then division, bracket open, minus 4 by 9 divided by 5 by 6. So you have to solve second and third. The 2 by 3 as it is rakho, divided by sign minus 4 by 9 into 6 by 5. अभी कैंसिलेशन कैसे आएगा? 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. सो फर्स्ट नंबर एज इट इज लिखेंगे, डिवीजन साइन डालेंगे. अभी माइनस प्लस माइनस, 4 2s are 8, 3 5s are 15. Now divide. 2 by 3, division sign becomes multiplication sign. 8 minus 8 by 15, 15 by minus 8. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. इधर प्लस है, इधर माइनस है. So 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4. Denominator is negative. So take it to the numerator, minus 5 by 4. Are they equal? No. Minus 9 by 5 is not equal to minus 5 by 4. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. You can write the question. Is it okay? So that was a associative property. Property number 5. Now coming to the property number 6. What is it? It is x, y, z are rational numbers. Then x plus y divided by z is equal to x divided by z plus y divided by z. See, x divided by z plus y divided by z. Now in the second one, here instead of plus they have put minus. X minus y divided by z. X divided by z minus y divided by z. Is it okay? Now the example is prove that for the answer, the values given you have to prove. So LHS x plus y divided by z. Put the value minus 2 by 3 plus 5 by 9 divided by minus 1 by 6. Now this is plus. Plus के लिए क्या करते हैं? If the base denominators are not same, you have to take the LCM. Please remember this. In some few sums, it is the multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. They will be together. So remember where to use the LCM for subtraction and the addition. For multiplication and division sums, it is cancellation. Okay. So 3 and 9, LCM is 9. First write minus 2. 3 how much are 9? 3 is. So multiply by 3. This plus you put as it is. Now 5 write as it is into 9 how much are 9? 9 ones are. Now division sign minus 1 by 6. See, if you write this way, it will be easy for you if the sums are done like this. But some places I have done LHS continuously. I have done to minimize the space. But otherwise, you do this method only. LHS, RHS. Okay. You won't get confused. Now, denominator is 9. Minus 2 into 3, minus 6, plus 5 ones are 5, division sign, minus 1 by 6. Now here, what will be the answer? A minus है, A plus. Different sign, मतलब क्या करने का है? Subtraction. 6 is bigger number, minus sign है, पहले डालो. 6 minus 5 is 1 upon 9. ये division sign minus 1 by 6. अभी division का मतलब multiplying the reciprocal of the second. So minus 1 by 9 as it is. Division sign change to multiplication. minus 1 by 6 becomes 6 by minus 1. Now 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So this is minus, here also minus. So it will be plus. 1 2s are 2, 3 1s are 3. So we got it to be 2 by 3. Now here on the RHS, it is x divided by y plus y divided by z. X divided by z plus y divided by z. Put the values. X is minus 2 by 3 divided by z is minus 1 by 6 plus y is 5 by 9 divided by minus 1 by 6. Now minus 2 by 3 division becomes multiplication. 1 by minus 1 by 6 becomes 6 by minus 1. 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. अब इधर प्लस 5 by 9 into minus 1 by 6 becomes 6 by minus 1. Cancellation. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. इधर 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. अभी लिखो माइनस माइनस प्लस से न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर कहीं भी रहेगा. इट इज फॉर द होल रैशनल नंबर. So this rational number is minus, this rational number is minus. So it will become plus. 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1. Plus. This is plus, this is minus. So it became 5 2s are 10, 3 1s are 3. Directly minus 10 डालिए. नहीं तो 10 upon minus 3. Again you have to change. Now 1 and 3 because it is addition. क्या करने का है? एलसीएम निकालने का. सो 1 and 3 का एलसीएम इज 3. न्यूमरेटर में 4 है. 1 हाउ मच जा 3? 3 जा. प्लस माइनस 10. 3 हाउ मच जा? 1 जा. नाउ 4 3 जा 12 प्लस माइनस 10 1 जा 10 अपॉन 3. So it is 2 by 3. So both the answers are same. LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Is it clear? Now coming to the property 7. Now for three rational numbers x, y, z, x divided by y plus z is not equal to x divided by y plus x divided by z. What is this property? Distributive property. याद है ना? So distributive property does not hold for division. So you show, prove it. So x divided by y plus z, and here x divided by y, first divided by the second, plus x divided by z, first divided by the third. Put the values. 2 by 5 divided by bracket open minus 3 by 10 plus 4 by 15. 2 by 5 as it is, division sign. Now 10 and 15. 15 का table, 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30. 10 का table में है, so 30. So numerator minus 3 into 10 3s are 30. Right. Now here it is plus, write 4, 15 2s are 32. Now 2 by 5 as it is, division sign, minus plus minus, 3 3s are 9, 4 2s are 8 upon 30. Now 2 by 5, division sign, different signs. So subtract, minus 9 is bigger, so minus 9 minus 8 is 1 upon 30. Now division. 2 by 5 as it is, division sign, change it to multiplication, write the reciprocal 30 upon minus 1. 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30. 2 6s are 12 upon minus 1. that means minus 12. Now coming to the RHS, put the values. It is a 2 by 5 divided by minus 3 by 10 plus x 2 by 5 divided by z 4 by 15. Now solve this and then add. So ये डिविजन है, इधर भी डिविजन. डिविजन का मेथड क्या है? फर्स्ट राइट द फर्स्ट रैशनल नंबर, चेंज द डिविजन साइन टू मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन. Minus 3 by 10 becomes 10 by minus 3, plus sign 2 by 5 as it is, division sign changes to multiplication sign, 4 by 15 becomes 15 by 4. Hope you all the students are understanding. Now the multiplication. In multiplication it is cancellation. Now 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. There is no other cancellation. Write the answer. Here it is plus, here it is minus. So 2 twos are 4, 1 threes are 3. That is minus 3. Plus, here the cancellation. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. 1 threes are 3, 1 twos are 2. Both are positive. Now, the denominator is minus 3, so put it in the numerator. Minus 4 by 3 plus 3 by 2. Now it is addition. That means LCM. 3 and 2. LCM is 6. 3 twos are 6. So numerator minus 4 into 3. How much are 6? 3 twos are. Now plus. Put the sign. 3 in the numerator into 2, how much are 6? 3s are. Now plus minus, it is minus 4 2s are 8. In multiplication different signs, minus sign, plus 3 3s are 9 upon 6. Now the different signs, you have to subtract. 9 is bigger, it is having plus sign, so 9 minus 8 is 1 upon 6. Are they equal? No. Minus 12 is not equal to 1 by 6. LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence, verify. Is it okay? So these were the examples and the properties of division of rational numbers. Hope all students understood. So you have to understand the properties of the rational numbers. Sometimes the question will be asked, which type of a property is it? Okay? Bye. Thank you for watching the video.